And I think more than 100 students have cracked UPSC with geography optional using my pendrive course. And more than 500 students have cracked in state exam. But in this pendrive course, you get all the updated lectures in one go. These are thoroughly updated. Basically, after completion of every topic like geomorphology, you have test. Completion of climatology, you have test. This way, after every topic, test is there. And once your syllabus is over, complete test continue. So when students at times say, sir, किसी answer में geographical aspect कैसे डाला जाए? Basically, it's your geographical terminology that makes your answer geographical. So pendrive में you have the flexibility of seeing any lecture, any number of time or any time. Friends, I am myself Ajay Raj Singh. I have been teaching geography for the last 17 years, since 2008. And I was the first person who initiated this pendrive course. This was my innovation. Later on, it was copied by other institutes. In UPSC, before me, nobody ever started this pendrive course. And this pendrive course was a phenomenal success and is still a great success. See, this course has certain inherent advantages. See, these students, Vineet Kumar, rank 187, Ankit Soni, Sushil Kumar, he scored 306 marks in geography. He 297. Saurabh Gangwar, this Shafqat Amna, Yashad Shekhar, 306 marks. Kshitij Rana, Rishen Singh, Sagar Kaushik, all these are pendrive course students and many more. Basically, in pendrive course, you don't ask for any photo and all. So those who supply us, we publish their photo. Otherwise, many more students have cracked UPSC. And I think more than 100 students have cracked UPSC with geography optional using my pendrive course. And more than 500 students have cracked in state exams. Now, what is the unique in this course? See, what happens when our mind understand in pictures, जैसे computer understands in 0 and 1 bits. Likewise, our mind understand in pictures. Suppose you attend a lecture. While attending the lecture, your focus is on understanding the concept as well as jotting down the important points. So your focus is divided. But in this pendrive course, you get all the updated lectures in one go. These are thoroughly updated. All the updated lectures in one go, and you virtually take me to your home. You can see the lecture any number of times. The more you see the lecture, it goes directly into your mind because mind understands in pictures. You see the lecture 2, 3 times, 4 times, you end up grasping all the geographical terminologies. So when students at times say, sir, किसी answer में geographical aspect कैसे डाला जाए? Basically, it's your terminology, geographical terminology that you use that makes your answer geographical. So pendrive course में you have the flexibility of seeing any lecture, any number of time or any time. You have the flexibility of completing the course as per your own schedule. Those who are working professionals or those who are not attending the coaching or even after attending the coaching, you tend to forget most of the things. Here, there's no limit on the number of times you can see the lecture. And by way of seeing them again and again, the geographical terminology settles down in your mind. And by way of picture, the entire content goes directly into the mind. And this pendrive course also has the test support. Basically, after completion of every topic like geomorphology, you have test. Completion of climatology, you have test. This way, after every topic, test is there. And once your syllabus is over, complete tests continue. So here you have basically the flexibility, the suitability, and you can revisit the lecture any number of times. And that has been the backbone, the root cause of such high success rate in this pendrive course. Now, in live online classes, you attend the lecture, you even get the recordings, which you can see once or twice. That's it. But in pendrive course, in live class, the limitation is that suppose lecture goes for 2 hours, you are confined to that 2 hour lecture. But in pendrive course, you have access to all the lectures. If you want to finish the course as per your schedule, you can extend your time given to the subject. You can, by way of devoting more time, you can cover more number of topics and you can finish the syllabus as per your schedule. और देखो ज्योग्राफी में एक बहुत बड़ी खास बात है, ज्योग्राफी इज हैविंग ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट इन जीएस. जीएस पेपर 1, जीएस पेपर 3 में बहुत कवरेज देता है बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ टॉपिक्स ऑफ ज्योग्राफी इन जीएस 3 आल्सो. सो ज्योग्राफी का सिलेबस बड़ा है बट इट इज हैविंग द इक्वली हाई इम्पैक्ट इन जीएस. So, and in geography in subject, when you study something, you study in depth. तो जी it completely fulfills the purpose of GS. Prelims के कई क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली ज्योग्राफी से होते हैं एंड ओनली स्टूडेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी कैन आंसर देम. तो बेसिकली इस पेन ड्राइव कोर्स में यू कैन एलैबोरेटली सी ऑल द लेक्चर्स. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, व्हेन यू टेक द टेस्ट व्हाइल इवैल्यूएटिंग योर आंसर्स, आई कम टू नो हाउ सीरियसली यू हैव सीन द वीडियोस. तो इसमें एक प्रोसीजर होता है. फर्स्ट, सपोज यू सी अ लेक्चर, your focus should be thoroughly on understanding the concept. Second time, when you will again see the lecture, you will pause and jot down every word and every diagram I am drawing there. That is, you will make your own notes. Although I will supply the complete study material, but ऐसे तो सब कुछ किताबों में भी है. But unless and until you jot down from the videos, it won't work. Suppose second time when you see and jot down every word and diagram, that notes cover 4 pages. You read those 4 pages 10, 12 times and reduce the entire content into one page. That is synopsis. Then you show it to me. Then I tell you how synopsis should be written. For initial 6, 7 topics, I tend to explain how synopsis is made. Thereafter, you come to know the art of making synopsis. That way, you finish entire, you cover complete geography in 250 pages. You can revise it 20 times. जानते हो, most of the people are unable to revise the syllabus before appearing in exam, even for once. But if you follow this pen drive course and the strategy that is followed by me, if you make synopsis, you can reduce the entire syllabus, entire geography in 250 pages, and you can revise it 20 times. And the more you revise, the better you can reproduce. इस एग्जाम में कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी के साथ चीजें मेमोराइज भी होनी चाहिए, because you cannot write in layman's term. When you see the lectures again and again and you listen to me, you tend to imbibe my language, those geographical terminologies, and you tend to these terminologies get reflected in your answer. अगर once you learn the art of making synopsis, pen drive course में जो instructions देता हूँ, if you follow it thoroughly, make the synopsis, 65% of answer writing work is already done. And nowadays, what is the trend? Some questions are applied, and those questions can be answered only on the basis of your understanding. So you can avail this pen drive course, and you will see number of people have availed it and benefited from it immensely. मतलब 210 marks से 296, 300 marks तक पहुंचे हैं. So all the best for my side.